As we probably are aware, STEPN is a transition to procure project. However, at this point the proprietor of the shoes could acquire GST provided that the proprietor moves around. Now STEPN has presented a rental help that will become live in September. With this component, the proprietor of the sneaker can lease the shoes and consequently, the proprietor will actually want to acquire GST when the person who leased the tennis shoe moves. GMT price prediction. What is Green Metaverse Token or GMT? Green Metaverse Token or GMT is the administration badge of STEPN. It is a transition to procure well-being and wellness application token. GMT permits its clients to decide in favor of activities and furthermore purchase stock from the STEPN application. Green Metaverse Token or GMT is the really token behind the STEPN project. There is a restricted stockpile of GMT token, that is, there is just 6 billion GMT tokens available for use. 16.30% of the absolute symbolic inventory is for private deal. 7.00% of the absolute symbolic inventory is for Binance Launchpad sale. 14.20% of the all-out symbolic stockpile is dispensed to the group of STEPN. 2.50% of the complete symbolic stock is designated to the counselors. 30.00% of the all-out symbolic stockpile is for the ecosystem, treasury. 30.00% of the complete symbolic stock is utilized as move to acquire tokens. With GMT tokens, the clients get to partake in administration to build their democratic power. GMT price prediction. Will STEPN rise or fall in the following 24 hours? 1. In the most recent 24 hours, there has been a ruin in the cost of GMT. However, the exchanging volume has risen. This has become one of the significant elements that are keeping the cost of GMT beneath $1. 2. The online entertainment feeling for GMT stays pessimistic with the buzz lower. 3. The Google scan volume for GMT is high. 4. The specialized suggestion is sell. 5. The in-general market cap is down. 6. 1/inspired by Bitcoin, $GMT's delivery will follow a, everyday, remarkable rot design. Absolute stockpile cap, 6 billion GMT. 2.5% is planned to be delivered for income by Jan 2023, light paper. That is 150 million GMT tokens for players. 7. Key point, LV30 GMT procuring players will vie for a restricted pool of $GMT every day. The pool gets more modest every day, supply diminishing, and that's just the beginning. LV30 players will participate in day-to-day, request expanding. 8. 3/ This implies drumroll, players with $GMT prepared shoes on day one will enjoy a significant benefit. Greater plunder, less thieves. GMT profit could be delivered in Q3, Q4 or 2023. At whatever point. Forthcoming economic situations and GMT consuming status. STEPN price prediction. What is STEPN? STEPN is a transition to procure project based on SocialFi and GameFi components. It is controlled by the Solana blockchain. Players can acquire GMT by strolling, running, or running outside. The primary rationale of STEPN is to rouse clients to take on a sound way of life and furthermore to assist clients with procuring by embracing a solid way of life. Here are a few realities about STEPN. STEPN has been created by Find Satoshi Lab, an Australian fintech firm. Jerry Huang and Yan Rong are the fellow benefactors of STEPN, GMT. Leading financial backers in the STEPN project incorporate Solana Capital, DeFi Alliance, Morningstar Ventures, Sequoia Capital, and so on. STEPN is as a matter of fact a wellness application like other action-following applications. STEPN can likewise be considered as the mix of expanded reality, AR, game and play to procure gaming. The rewards come in STEPN's local digital money, the Green Satoshi Token or GST or Green Metaverse Token, GMT. Alchemy Pay, a crypto fiat installments engineer, and ASICS, the significant games brand, is cooperating with STEPN. GMT price prediction. What is Green Metaverse Token or GMT? Green Metaverse Token or GMT is the administration badge of STEPN. It is a transition to procure well-being and wellness application token. GMT permits its clients to decide in favor of ventures and furthermore purchase stock from the STEPN application. A few facts about Green Metaverse Token. Green Metaverse Token or GMT is the vitally token behind the STEPN project. There is a restricted stockpile of GMT token, that is, there is just 6 billion GMT tokens available for use. 16.30% of the complete symbolic inventory is for private deal. 7.00% of the absolute symbolic stockpile is for Binance Launchpad sale. 14.20% of the absolute symbolic stockpile is assigned to the group of STEPN. 2.50% of the complete symbolic inventory is allotted to the consultants. 30.00% of the absolute symbolic stockpile is for the ecosystem, treasury. 30.00% of the all-out symbolic stock is utilized as move to procure tokens. With GMT tokens, the clients get to take part in administration to build their democratic power. Will STEPN GMT go up? For the cost of any digital currency to rise, the economic situation needs to move along. The by and large crypto market has been under profound strain over the most recent couple of months, and there have been no indications of progress. Taking a gander at the ongoing circumstance, there is not really any opportunity of the cost of STEPN GMT to up. Be that as it may, assuming the economic situation further develops, there are opportunities for STEPN GMT cost to rise once more. Is STEPN still a wise speculation? It is not really hard to figure out which speculation is great right now. None of the digital forms of money are performing great, and on the off chance that the economic situation is thought of, none of the cryptos will be a protected venture. Presently the inquiry emerges, would it be advisable for you to put resources into STEPN? On the off chance that you have persistence and are prepared to adhere to the market notwithstanding a few misfortunes, then, at that point, STEPN will be a wise speculation. Be that as it may, in the event that you are searching for an easy gain, STEPN may not be a wise speculation at the momentum cost. How does STEPN GMT work? Green Metaverse Token, GMT, is one of the two tokens from the place of STEPN. The other token is Green Satoshi Token. The stock of GMT is restricted to 6 billion tokens. These Green Metaverse tokens can be acquired by clients by one or the other trading the GMT coins or by renting or leasing the NFT shoes from the STEPN application. Once you have rented the NFT tennis shoes, you can procure game money by running, strolling, or running outside, which can be liquidated out for benefit or used in-game. When you begin acquiring the GMT tokens, you can trade it with USDC. Notwithstanding, to trade